Finished one time, and it's at a different spot this time. Old 1690. Kind of ran out of places to explore, so I decided to go here. This is just going to be it's just going to be this direction. This one's got an Econolite. We're just going to cross over to get over to what is it? The gas station, potentially. Little mini pedestrian exploration, but school bus there. Of course, these don't work because okay, got yellow. What does that mean? Arrow turns green for the left turn signal. Did we get a walk signal? No, we didn't. We didn't get a walk signal just yet. I'm under the assumption that this is an automated intersection here. See if we get a walk signal at some point. Okay, we did. I'm gonna end it off over here because yeah, that's a lot of old equipment. Okay, never mind, it's not that special. Just needed a little bit of walking around to do. Oh wait, hold on. That's it. Lovely. This is coming off. Lovely. This is coming apart because the nail isn't pushed in all the way. Literally all worn and dilapidated for all I know. Let's just get a walk signal so we can get out of here. There's a couple of Econolites and a couple of these. Walk signal just came on. See, there's one there.